Praying for humanity means praying for the good of humanity. Prayer is the beginning of desire.
Then, on time, 31, liberation ball, Vanya, 3, infinite ingredients, up to 8 prayers, salvation, blessings, plastic surgery, resurrection, eternal life, heaven, 8 things. This is what Buddhism pursues, Christianity pursues, and if you look at Buddhism, there was prayer.
Does Buddhism not include prayer? But monks also have 100 days or 1,000 days, that prayer. In the end, pray to the sea and get rid of that prayer.
What he prayed for was greed, that's it. So pray to your heart's content and turn your prayers to others. I should give it to difficult people. After praying at every temple, go to the sea. Give it to someone else. Don't let that prayer part come to you. And if someone else takes it and turns it away like this, the prayer itself doesn't exist.
I understand. But Christianity has prayer. There are prayers. What is this? I'm praying for you. I pray for the good of humanity. Prayer is the beginning of desire. Is there anyone who prays worthy of prayer? If the thief asks us for something, can we give him the keys to the house? Will thieves come and ask me for my house keys? You're the ones who are praying for the safe key. That's right. What you're asking of me is that you're a thief and you want me to give you the key to the safe. So praying is your life? If you work hard, everything is there, step by step. That's prayer.
Meet Huh Kyung-Young and your prayers will be over. Right? Right?
Tomorrow.
I have an important business contract. So as long as I have a contract today and tomorrow, it's fine. And if I drink alcohol, but the wife goes to temple and prays and goes to church and prays and does this happen? It doesn't work. Every one of his actions should be prayed for. Coming home early, and children like it is the behavior of a person who comes to his wife, wipes her feet, helps her cook, mops the floor, and signs a contract the day after tomorrow.
First of all, understand, if you really give this person money, he will spend it for his family and do good work with the rest. I have to show you this. But the contract is important tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, so I'm anxious. Let's drink soju. Meet a friend and have a drink. If you do this, if this person gives you money, everything will end up going bankrupt like this. Would you give me that? So this prayer is not something that people who are really good at praying do. Every step in my actions is prayer. If I look at it now with my eyes and see the fact that I lived like this while studying at the top of the mountain, it is all God's footsteps. I have never been to a place where I shouldn't have gone, so I have to go to prison. You have to try it all, don't you? Oh, wouldn't it be if your whole body came from the sky, okay? The father gave birth to a child, but no matter how much the father gave birth in front of the child, the father must also set an example in front of the child. You can't see it. If you come to see your son and study, is it okay for you to sit and play? That prayer doesn't work. Hey, I went to the temple and prayed at church yesterday, but can I take a day off today? I can't do this. Right. So what is real prayer? Where did I go in the sky today? This is prayer. Can you come and sit here and pray or not? It can't be done. It's just me. But if you have a fun conversation with me, that's the end. What kind of prayer is the prayer? That's right. It's the end when you talk about erotic rainy season in front of me. Yeah, don't I? So this is it. If you get into the habit of stopping praying, your actions are not prayer. Prayer is misunderstood as separate. There is no such prayer. Prayers are not heard in heaven. What if it looks like an action? It's time to finish. Can you see it right now? Okay? So as long as I live, rookies will all act differently. But there are things that you don't understand, and there are things that rookies have to experience. Right? Right. Even though you're a newbie, why don't you know anything like that? It's different from what you've heard and tried, right? That's right. So there are worlds that you can't understand. You come and go to see Huh Kyung-Young, and as long as you don't get swears in your mouth as Huh Kyung-Young teaches, that's prayer.
Likewise.
Just like we came out of Amore, everything is bubbles and shadows and ornaments and fantasies. So it succeeded and failed. Don't make this painful. This is it. Life just flows like lightning. This is what I mean. It's a very philosophical song. It's a soothing song. Yes, so today you come here in the sky and you spend 5 hours every hour. The fact that you are in the sky is the best prayer.